Hello friends, the car is idling, the tachometer shows high speed. When you press the brake pedal to stop the car starts to spontaneously increase speed. This can happen for several reasons, one of them being the gas pedal mechanism. Over time it develops a run out and you just need to lubricate it with help these tools. We apply lubricants to this node, and after that the gas mechanism will work perfectly. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.